Britain's Conservative Party leader Rishi Sunak becomes the first Indian origin Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Former UK Chancellor of the Exchequer Rishi Sunak on Monday became the Conservative Party leader, less than 2 months after he lost to Liz Truss in the Tory leadership race. Sunak's change in fate was triggered by the resignation of Truss after her high-profile sacking and resignation in her cabinet, following a heavily criticised mini-budget that left the UK pound tumbling. After Truss resigned on Thursday, Rishi Sunak and former Prime Minister Boris Johnson were seen as frontrunners for the UK PM bid. But Boris Johnson ruled himself out of the Conservative Party leadership race despite claiming he had the required support. Sunak is born in Southampton to parents of Indian descent who migrated to Britain from East Africa. An Oxford and Stanford University alumni, Sunak is famously married to Akshata Murthy, the daughter of N.R. Narayana Murthy, the billionaire businessman who founded Infosys.